actually, it's Iranian drones that are being used by the Russians in Ukraine. And Russia, of course, was involved in the Middle East, and Russia is involved in Europe, and Russia has a burgeoning relationship with China. And all of these issues are interconnected, and trying to sort of separate off regions of the world. The reality is that if you're looking at the Middle East, which again has many thoroughfares for shipping, or is the supply of oil for many of America's adversaries, or is this a source of a lot of military tech? I mean, a lot of the military tech that America uses is actually developed in Israel.
Chinese money going to Tehran, buying their oil for cents on the dollar, and then the drones flying into Russia and the missiles going into Russia that we're then spending against in Ukraine, and the terrorism that's exploded across the Middle East. I mean, one could argue it's our money with our trade deficit going into China, going into Iran, then flowing into Russia in the Middle East. In many ways, our money from our market that's flowing around the world, and then often our adversaries are using against us, that we then have to spend against in our own defense budget. So it's almost a double counting. I mean, those are all our critical national interests.